Hello guys, and welcome back to another of my courses. So if you are interested by the clothing industry and you are interested also by the concept of having your own online business, you are definitely at the right place. So basically this course, the way I design it is pretty simple. I'm going to teach you how to create and launch your own clothing brand directly online. So basically you will have, the advantages of working 100% online, you have plenty of them. So first of all, you won't have stocks at your place. So basically, you don't need to rent no offices or no places where you will have all the stock of your clothes. You don't need to invest a lot of money. So basically, everything is done online, and there is no logistical headache. So basically, all the logistic is pretty simple. The way it's done, it's directly online, 100%. So basically, this course is created for people who always wanted to create their own business and don't have a lot of capital and are interested by something that they can do directly online, and they can also do it part-time. So basically you don't need to invest yourself full-time in this type of business because we're talking here about starting your own online store that is specialized in creation of clothes. So basically, once again, you don't need a lot of capital to start it out because you don't need to buy the products up front. You just design them. And what's cool also is that your consumer, if they don't buy your product, you don't have to make no purchase. So it's gonna cost you pretty much nothing running your store. It's just gonna cost you a little bit of time because you need to invest your time in the store creation process, in the clothing creation process, and to maintain everything up to date. So once again, if you guys are interested by this field, you will definitely love this course. I created this course, the way I created this course is that by the end of this course, you will have your own online store already set it up. So basically you can start the creation of your online store at the beginning of this course. And by the end of this course, already having your own online store set it up. And the only thing that will have will be left to do is simply creating all the clothes. Because once again, if you want to add new collections, if you want to add new types of clothes, well, you will need to add them and put them up to date. And once again, that's the only thing that will have left to do for you. So once again, if this is something that interests you, definitely you will love this course. And definitely, in my opinion, this is worth it because you will be able to have your first online business. So let's not talk anymore and let's jump right into action and see you all at the other side at the beginning of the course.